Welcome to Bitunix Academy. In this short guide, you'll learn how to complete KYC verification, buy crypto through P2P, and start trading futures, all in just a few minutes. Before you start trading, you need to complete your identity verification, open the Bitunix app, and log into your account. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, open Verify, then tap Verify Now. Tap Continue. Select the country where your ID document was issued. Choose your document type: driver license, ID card, residence permit, or passport. Then follow the prompts to capture your identity document and take a selfie. Submit your verification and wait for review. Once approved, your KYC is complete. Ensure that your ID photo is clear, valid, and unaltered. Facial features must be visible, and all information must match your Bitunix account details. Log in to your Bitunix app account. From the home screen, tap Buy Crypto, then select P2P Trading. On the P2P Trading page, choose USDT as the asset you want to buy. Select your preferred fiat currency, choose your payment method, and tap Buy on the offer you prefer. Enter the purchase amount or quantity, review the order details carefully, read and agree to the Bitunix P2P Trading legal disclaimer, then tap Buy USDT. Once your order is created, you will be redirected to the pending payment page. Follow the payment instructions, complete the transfer, and tap Paid to notify the seller. After the seller releases the crypto, it will be credited to your spot account. To start trading, you need to transfer your funds to your futures account. Tap Transfer in the Bitunix app. Under From, select Spot Account. Under To, select Futures Account. Enter the amount, make sure the currency is USDT, and tap Confirm. Tap Futures from the bottom navigation bar. In the Trading Pair selector, choose BTC/USDT from the list of USDTM perpetual futures pairs. Select Isolated Mode for this example. Set your leverage to 50x. Choose an order type. Select Limit Order to set a specific entry price, or choose Market Order to trade immediately at the current market price. Enter the quantity or amount you want to trade. If you expect the price to rise, tap Buy Open Long. If you expect the price to fall, tap Sell Open Short. After that, tap Confirm to place your order. Once your order is filled, review your open position. To manage risk, tap TP/SL to set your take profit and stop loss levels. After entering your preferred targets, tap Confirm to save your settings. That's it! You've learned how to complete your KYC verification, buy crypto through P2P, and trade futures on Bitunix. Always manage your leverage wisely and monitor your positions carefully. Start trading securely and confidently on Bitunix today.